Bonjour à tous et bienvenue. In our today's class, we are going to see the countings from 1 to 100. So let's get started. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The pronunciation of 6 and 10 is quite similar. It's C's and these. And pay attention that in case of 7, the P is silent. So it's not sept, it's set. Très bien. So once again, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21 is 20 et et in French means and. So basically the combination is 20 and 1. 20 et 22. So 1 that is 20 and the that is 2. So 20 plus 2, 22. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. Okay, so it was all fun and games till here. We just had to remember what is 20 in French, what is 30 in French, what is 40 in French, what is 50 in French, and what is 60 in French. And after that, we just had to memorize 1, 2, 3, 4 and just add these two together and we were sorted. But the French people decided to complicate things much more from here onwards. So now when we come to 70, so 70 in French is 70. That's basically 60 plus 10. 70. Now, since 70 was 70, that was 60 plus 10. 71 is going to be 71. That is 60 plus 11. So now from here onwards, you have to follow the series of 11, 12, 13. So 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. Now talking about 80. 80 in French is 80. So what is 4? 4 is 4. What is 1? That is 20. So 4 into 20. That's how they have derived 80. 80. Now 81 is going to be 4 into 20 plus 1. So 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, and last 90 is 90. So now for 90, it is 4 into 20 plus 10. 90. For 91, it's going to be 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99 and 100. The pronunciation of 100 is 100. Très bien. If you found this video to be helpful, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos and share it with your friends. À bientôt!